Oh, I need your help. If you found this, then I'm probably already dead. I've been out here in the cold for 3 days. I have frostbite on every part of my body. I haven't eaten anything at all. I'm looking for anything to eat. Just please, don't tell my family I died this way. It's so cold out. There's so much snow. I don't think I can make it any longer. I'm not gonna make it. Just remember me. Goodbye. I'm just kidding. Thanks for watching. I just got really bored. It's like freezing cold out here. There's snow everywhere. God. But anyways, yeah. Remember to subscribe, comment, rate, whatever you want to do. Okay. Oh, sorry. Bye.